Hey, what's cracking, everybody? On today's video, we're gonna take a look back at Deepin 23. And the reason why we're taking a look at Deepin 23 because I got a comment regarding looking at the AI integration in Deepin 23. So I got it back up in the virtual machine. It's the same one that I installed a couple of days ago. So we're gonna take a look at the AI integration and see what it's about and see what it does. All right. But before I do that, I think I'm gonna update the system because I believe one of the updates it's regarding the UOS AI, and it is UOS AI. It is part of the update, so I'm gonna go ahead and update the system. Once I'm done updating the system, we'll come back and then we'll take a look at these AI apps. From what I know, there's two apps. There's two AI integrations. One is this UOS and another one I believe is for the for your image viewer or something like that. But we'll take a look right now. Let me just update the system, and then when I come back, we'll take a look at these AI integrations. Okay, so I've updated the UOS AI app, and I've rebooted the machine. But first, let me go into the web browser and do a search for Deepin AI. All right, and right here on their Deepin website, it says two AI features introduced in Deepin Linux 23 beta. So I guess these AI apps have been available since the beta release. All right, so we already know about the UOS AI, but the other one right here is let's take a look and see what it is. Image Viewer AI plugin. Right, so enhance your images with our Image Viewer AI plugin. Colorize your images, upgrade resolution, blur or remove backgrounds, turn your photos into hand-drawn or 3D comics, sketch your images effortlessly. Try it out now and download from Deepin App Store. So it's going to be Image Viewer AI plugin. So let me open up the App Store and do a search. Image Viewer AI plugin. And here it is right here, Image Viewer AI plugin. So let me go ahead and install that. Okay, and the Image Viewer AI plugin has now been installed. So let's go ahead and close down the App Store, and we can close down the web browser. All right, so the first app we're going to take a look at is going to be the UOS AI, which is down here. It's going to be in your system tray. So it's going to be an icon that kind of looks like a ghost. At least from here, it looks like a ghost, but I'll just click on it and it opens up this side panel right here. So it looks like from here, you would just give it a prompt right here, like an input question, and then I guess it's supposed to spit out something. So let's go ahead and try this out. So yeah, write a paragraph. Wow. Deepin AI relations. Let's see what that does. All right, UOS AI requires an AI model account to be configured before it can be used. Please configure a model account first. Okay, so I guess right here, uh, I confirmed that I'm 18 years old, and I guess you have to agree to the participate in the user experience plan of the application. Okay, configure the model account required. So account, what goes under account? All right, I'll just write Linux on it. And API key. To test whether the model is available, the system sends test information. And okay, so let me just click on this, how to get an account. All right, to use GBT model, you need to get the API key of OpenAI first. API key get link. Straight right here. Authentication required. Please log in to access this page. All right, so we're going to sign up. I don't see anything happening, so let me try to. All right, there you go. So you got to add an email address. So I'll just go ahead and add. You exceeded your current quota. Please check your plan and billing details for more information. All right, so that was a failure. So that's not going to work. Even though I've never used it. But let me try again, see what happens. Yeah, it just keeps telling me that I exceeded my quota, which I never have. I've never even used it, so. All right, well, can't say I didn't try, but I did try. So that did not work. UOS AI did not work. So now I got to open up the image viewer and see what that AI is about. So there's image viewer. Well, let me download an image, I guess. Right there. All right, so I'm going to open up an image. Put this one right there. And where is this AI thing? All right, I don't see nothing apparent that shows me anything about the AI, so let me try going through here and see if it opens up something. So the only thing I get is the image viewer, which is what I have open right now. Let me see, right clicking on the picture. Let me see this. All right, I'm not really seeing how to do anything with the AI as far as the images either. So I tried, but I don't see how. What? Uh, let's see. Let me see what extract text does. So I think it just extracted what the date and stuff was up here, but I'm trying to see if there's any other things on here. So this is the extract text. This is just the rotate. So I'm not really seeing nothing right here that tells me how it works. Let's try searching again. Okay, project introduction. Deepin Image Viewer is an image viewer produced by the Deepin community. It is fashion. It is fashion and smooth. Support multiple image formats. User can view anything. Okay, that's not really giving me any info as far as the AI. Okay, so let me go back. Okay, again, there's another message here saying something about AI features for photos and ID. So Deepin is a mysteriously beautiful distribution. Sure, we're all waiting for the time when they make Deepin 23 available and stable release. Until then, we hold on to our anticipation. But wait, there's something interesting in the works, and I think this would make it worth the wait. AI features coming to Deepin Linux. You can access it now in Deepin version 20.9 and above. With an existing installation, however, it should make the future release experience more exciting. So what about it? Let me tell you more here. I guess we can see the future. Well, it looks like Deepin Linux kicked off 2024, introduced a new IDE feature and AI programming system. You can find a listen in the Deepin App Store. We haven't tried that yet, but that sounds fascinating. Not just limited to this, they have also started integration AI features to the Photo Viewer app via the Image Viewer AI plugin. Okay, sending you can retouch or enhance an existing image. Okay, we already know that. You can blur, delete background, hand painting, 2D comic, 3D comic, sketch. Okay, but how do you do it? I'm not really finding any info regarding the AI integration. So there's really nothing I could do about that. And this other thing's telling me that my key is already used. So there's nothing I could do about that either. But let me open up the, what happened to the image? Did it disappear on me? Oh, there it is. Oh, I'm blind. So let me open up the image again. Okay, I'm gonna right click the image. And then these, let me just try one. All right, that just made it full size. All right, what does this do? Bring it back down. This is to extract text. This is to rotate it. And then I can just delete it here. All right. Well, I tried. I looked for it. That, that seems to be one of the biggest problems with Linux distros that always want to introduce something new or in just any feature at all. Finding documentation for it can be quite difficult, and getting it to work is always a hassle. That's why a lot of these distros get a lot of hate basically because they offer things like this, but they don't tell you how to use it. That there's nothing. Well, you know what? Before I even do that, let me go back into let me open up YouTube. Deepin AI works. It says right here, Deepin AI function is coming. Okay, 9 to 5 Linux says something about AI enhancements, but that's a 44-minute video. Everyone's quick to tell us that it's going to add a integration, but I wonder, you know what? This is a 6-minute video. Let me just scroll through this real quick. See.
Deepin Linux is adding an integrated AI assistant.
All right. After watching that video, I didn't get any new info on it or anything like that. So maybe someone else out there can make a video on it and show how it actually works. As of now, I tried to get it to work, but obviously didn't work. Maybe because I got it in a virtual machine, maybe that's why it this UOS thing acted the way it did. So I mean, it's all just speculation right now. But yeah, I mean the apps are here. Supposedly they're installed, but how to get them to work is another issue all in itself. So maybe some other pro could get on here and make a nice video of it and show us how to use it. All right. Well, anyways, just because I got that comment saying if I could take a look at it, this is why I'm taking a look at it now to see what it does and how it works. And as you can see, I tried, but obviously it was a failure. So sorry about that, but hey, it is what it is, right? I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video short. I just want to show you that I did take a look at it, try to figure it out, but couldn't get it to work. All right, you guys, that's gonna do it for this video, and I'm out.